speak in Bahasa. Okay, I want to share with you tikus. You know tikus? It's a mouse. Then there's a anjing, and then there's a kucing. Do you know that anjing and kucing always fight, right? Kucing and tikus, they want to eat. The kucing want to eat the anjing. Kucing want to eat the tikus, right? So you know why? The tikus is dulu di bawah tanah, di bawah tanah. So the tikus ini dapat naik cari makan bila anjing tidak ada. Bila tikus itu dengar anjing wup wup wup, dia duduk bawah berani keluar, okay? But if that anjing, that is a meow, anjing is wup wup, they will come out because anjing is the bodyguard. Okay? Because anjing never disturb tikus. But the cat meow meow meow, they stay back. So one day, oh oh oh, they come out. Meow meow meow, they stay back. Every day. And this kucing was thinking very hard how to catch this mouse. So one day, you know why? For 6 months, this tikus always hear so come out. They thought the kucing has already died. Sudah mati dia kata. Alright. So one day, out. One day, it come out, then the kucing catch. I say, they say, cilaka you kucing. Kalau bunyi macam anjing, tidak itu kalau bunyi macam anjing, itu boleh tangkap saya. Sekarang, what did the cat say? Do you know? I went for training for 6 months. But anjing so that I can catch you. So, what is the moral of the story, ladies and gentlemen? Training is always the best. No